What's up, mini makers? My name's Tiny Tim and I'm a sculptor. This video I'm going to be making some mandrakes. It's really simple, really easy, really any skill level can do it. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let's get sculpting. So I've wanted to make some mandrakes for a while. I have a list on my phone of the sculptures I want to do, and mandrakes have been on there for about a year and a half, so I really felt like I needed to do them. I sketched up some ideas of what I wanted them to look like, because I wanted them to look like potatoes with eyeballs. A lot of the ones I saw doing reference photos, they looked like that, but I want to make them kind of cute and a little kind of creepy. So that's what I went for my mandrakes. So this is a really good project if you're just starting out sculpting, because I mean, it's a potato. It's a potato with a face. You can't really do it wrong. So if you want to start sculpting, I would say start with this or something similar like this. Don't go too crazy with the details or anything. It was really simple. It was really quick to make. For the face, I wanted to give it kind of like a baby face, but like an angry baby face. So I gave it like the cheekbones, or like the chubby cheeks, and then I put a furrowed brow on top of it. And then for the hands and the arms, I just took some clay, I rolled them into little strips and twisted them to make them look like roots. It came out really nice. I thought he was adorable and creepy at the same time. Without him painted, he looked like a weird baby, so I was trying to get to the painting as soon as I could. I made two of them. I made this one just a little bit larger. I don't want them to be identical. I want them to be maybe like brothers. I don't know. They also looked like Crabbe and Goyle from Harry Potter. For the painting, all I did was I did a base of dark brown. I didn't let it dry all the way, and then from there I started stippling on some different browns and greens just to make it look naturey, make it look natural, make it look organic. And it came out really nice. I was really happy with it. I was surprised how nice it looked. I think it was 2 years ago on my TikTok I made a ghost a day for October, and one of my ghosts I did, it was like a potato ghost, and so I'm very versed at painting potatoes. For the plants, all I did is went to the dollar store. I got some plants that I thought would look cute on their heads. I wanted them to look kind of like succulent potatoes as well, just because they were a lot smaller, and I didn't want to give them big old plants on top of their heads. So it's like the succulents. Succulents are small. These guys are small. Bada bing, bada boom, we're good. And then all I did, I took my shadow box, I painted it black and then the inside white. I hot glued them in. I did some caulking on the edges for the back so it wouldn't fall off. We got ourselves diorama. I think it came out really nice. I was really happy with all the little details. But again, it was super simple. Just hang it on your walls, impress your friends, be like, look what I made. All right, let's get to those glamour shots. And we got another diorama in the books. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. If there's anything you want to see me sculpt, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. I have a Patreon. I haven't posted on it in a while, to be honest. I'm going to start posting on there more, hopefully starting with my next project. But if you want to help support me, I love making these videos. It does take a little bit of time. So if you want to help me financially, go support me on Patreon. I really appreciate it. All right, we'll see you next time for another video. See ya.